Section 1 Short Title Extent and Commencement. 2 Definition. 3 Register. 4 Societies which may be registered. 5 Registration with limited liability only. 6 Application for registration. 7 Registration. 8 Registration certificate. 8 Affiliation to Apex Society. 9 Cooperative societies to be bodies corporate. 9 Publication of name of cooperative society. 10 Change name of society. 11 Change of liability. 12 Amendment of bylaw of a society. 13 When amendment of bylaw come into force. 13A Subject matter of bylaw. 14 Amalgamation, transfer of assets and liabilities and division of societies. 14A Provision regarding transfer of assets and liabilities of DCB to Kerala State Cooperative Bank. 14A Promotion of subsidiary institution for economic welfare of members. 14B Partnership of cooperative societies. 15 Cancellation of registration certificate of certain cases. 16 Persons who may become members. 16A omitted. 17 Expulsion of members. 18 Nominal or associate members. 19 Member not to exercise right till due payment made. 19A omitted. 19B Right of member to get information. 20 Vote of members. 21 Manner of exercising vote. 22 Restrictions on holding shares. 23 Restrictions on transfer of shares or interest. 24 Restrictions on withdrawal of shares. 25 Transfer of interest on death of members. 26 Liabilities of past member or estate of deceased member. 27 Final authority in a society. 28 Appointment of committee. 28A Reservation for women members and members belonging to scheduled caste or scheduled tribe. 28A Reservation for persons with banking experience or professional qualification in the Committee of Urban Cooperative Banks. 28AB Election and removal of President, Vice President, etc. 28B State Cooperative Election Commission. 29 Annual General Body Meeting. 30 Special General Body Meeting. 31 Nominees of Government on Committees of Apex or Central Society. 32 Supersession of Committee. 33 Appointment of new committee or administration on failure to constitute committee, etc. 34 Securing possession of records, etc. 35 First charge of society in certain assets. 36 Charge on land owned or held by members borrowing loans from certain societies. 36A Charge on movable or immovable property of borrower by creating gahan. 37 Deduction from salary. 38 Charges and set off in respect of shares or interest of members. 39 Shares or interest or reserve fund not liable to attachment. 40 Exemption from certain taxes, fees and duties. 41 Exception from compulsory registration of instruments. 42 Direct partnership of government in societies. 43 Indirect partnership of government in societies. 44 Principal state partnership fund. 45 Subsidiary state partnership fund. 46 Approval of government for purchase of shares. 47 Liability to be limited in respect of certain shares. 48 Restrictions on amount of dividend. 49 Indemnity of apex and central societies. 50 Disposal of share capital and dividend, etc. 51 Disposal of principal state partnership fund and subsidiary state partnership fund on winding up of apex or central society. 52 Agreement by government and apex societies. 53 Order forms of state aid to societies. 54 Portions of section 43 to 52 to override other laws. 55 Funds not to be divided. 56 Disposal of net profit. 56A Disposal of non-banking assets. 57 Investment of funds. 57A The Cooperative Development and Welfare Fund. 57B Deposit Guarantee Scheme. 57C Consortium Lending Scheme. 57D Cooperative Risk Fund Scheme. 58 Restrictions on borrowings. 59 Restrictions on loans. 60 Restrictions on other transactions with members. 61 Provident Fund. 62 Gratuity. 63 DCA, Director of Cooperative Audit. 64, Scope of Audit, Powers of the DCA and Procedure for Audit. 65, Inquiry by Registrar. 66, Supervision and Inspection. 66A, Powers of the Registrar to give directions. 66B, Suspension of officers. 66C, Submission of returns to the registrar. 67, Cost of inquiry or inspection. 68, Surcharge. 68A, Vigilance officer. 69, Disputes to be decided by cooperative arbitration court and registrar. 69A, Cooperative Ombudsman. 70, Arbitration dispute. 70B, Provision as to pending proceedings. 71, Winding up of societies. 72, Liquidator. 73, Powers of liquidator. 74, Cancellation of registration of a society. 74A, Insured cooperative bank. 74B, Opening of branches. 74C, Inspection in certain cooperatives. 74D, Duty of chief executive to supply confirmation certificate. 74E, Manner of acceptance of deposit and lending of money. 74F, Right of loans. 74G, Library in cooperative societies. 74H, Amalgamation of DCB to Kerala State Cooperative Bank. 75, Enforcement of charge. 76, Execution of orders, etc. 77, Registrar or person empowered by him to be civil court for certain purpose. 78, Attachment of property before award or order. 79, Recovery of sums due to government. 80, Officers, etc. of cooperative societies. 80A, Pension scheme. 80B, Cooperative Service Examination Board. 80C, the Kerala Cooperative Employees Welfare Scheme. 80D, the Kerala State Cooperative Employees Welfare Board. 80E, Transfer of assets and control of the existing Kerala State Cooperative Employees Welfare Board. 81, Tribunal. 81A, Provisions as to certain pending proceedings. 82, Appeals to Tribunal. 83, Appeals to other authorities. 84, Revision by Tribunal. 85, Review of order by Tribunal. 86, Interlocutory order by Tribunal. 87, Powers of revision of registrar and government. 88, Constitution of Circle Cooperative Union. 88A, Appointment of officer on default or negligence of members of Circle Cooperative Union. 88B, Appointment of officers on failure to constitute the Circle Cooperative Union. 88C, Removal of chairman. 89, Establishment of State Cooperative Union. 89A, Appointment of officer or committee on default or negligence of the managing committee of the State Cooperative Union. 89B, Appointment of officer or committee on failure to constitute the managing committee of SCU. 89C, Removal of chairman, vice chairman, etc. 90, Cooperative society to affiliate to State Cooperative Union. 91, Functions of State Cooperative Union. 92, Assets, liability, etc. of regional unions. 93, Assets, liability, etc. of state union. 94, Offences. 95, Congruence of offences. 95, Offences by companies. 96, Address of Society. 97, Copy of Act, Rules and Bylaw to be open to inspection. 98, Tribunal, Registrar, etc. to have certain powers of civil court. 99, Orders to be pronounced. 100, Bar of jurisdiction of courts. 101, Power to exempt societies. 102, Register of members. 103, Proof of entries in societies books. 104, Service of notice. 105, Act of societies not to be invalidated by certain defects. 106, Immunity for acts done for purporting to be done in good faith. 107, Companies Act 1956 not to apply. 108, Duties of police officer. 109, Powers to make rules. 110, Repeal and saving.